So many parks, so little time. I came out here earlier to do some filming. It was overcast, it was quite pleasant. I did a time lapse, which I showed you earlier, and then it started to rain, so I had to come back. Now, sunny, bright, and a little steamy. So, there are numerous outdoor places to explore here in Stuart, Florida. We have dozens of parks, and today I'm going to tell you about one of them. Sandsprit Park, located in Stuart, Florida, and right at the opening of the Lucie Inlet. It's a popular place for many boaters. If you enjoy warm, salty breezes and spending time outdoors, you'll certainly enjoy Sandsprit Park, as there are many things to do. From relaxing in the sun to picnicking, this riverfront park is a great place to unwind. Sometimes when I feel like just chilling, looking at the water, putting my feet up, bring out a couple lawn chairs, or sit on one of the benches here at Sandsprit and just watch the boats go by. They have a beautiful boardwalk that snuggles all along the water side. Some of it's a wood type boardwalk, some of it's concrete. There are even places that you can actually walk down steps and go into the water if you choose to do so. There are finger piers if you want to throw a line and do some fishing. Lots of fun things to do here at Sandsprit Park. I have some friends coming over to explore and wanting to know what I'm doing over here while filming. One of the really cool things about this park are the birds. Now, we have seagulls, pelicans, and crows, but we also have parrots. They're really cool. I used to have a parrot once. Had to get rid of it. Hated my now ex-husband. Should have been a sign. If you're looking to get some physical fitness, it's a great place to walk or jog, and there are some exercise areas that you can, either sweat, get some muscles, pass out in the heat. You know who you are. There's also a playground if you've got little ones or you're a grandparent and you want to bring your grandchildren down here so they can play on the playground and exhaust themselves so they go to bed early. I have 3 grandchildren now, and when they come to visit, I plan on wearing them out. They will be down here. Do you enjoy parks? I do. How often do you go and enjoy a local park where you live? I'd like to know. Make a comment below. If you would like to learn more about Florida, you can do that by hitting the subscribe button. I make videos all the time on what it's like to live here in beautiful South Florida, specifically the Treasure Coast. I talk about things to do, things to see, and places to live. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and hit the bell. I'm Lisa Ammons. Thank you for stopping by.